Tulap trivia question at maaaring manalo ng exclusive merchandise o 300 pesos load daily. Ito ang question for the week. Text Tulap space, letra ng tamang sagot at isend sa 367 for smart and talking text o kaya sa 4627 for Globe, TM at Sun subscribers. Text na. Nakitawa tayo sa kanilang mga bangayan.
Ba't hindi ka marunong mag-sorry kahit anong kasalanan pa nagawa mo?
Umalakak tayo sa kanilang mga awayan.
Sorry.
Ngunit ngayong Lunes, magbabago na ang kanilang kapalaran.
Eugene Zhang. Ang bait-bait mo pala.
Ang minahal nating tambalan.
Alam ko na ngayon kung bakit nagustuhan kita.
Magkakatuluyan na.
Di pa ako ready.
Couple or trouble sa drama-rama sa hapon ng GMA. Nakilala siya bilang Pinoy King of Soul at sikat na komedyan. At ngayon, siyang magiging host ng kinababaliwang game show sa Amerika na ngayon nasa Pilipinas na. Si Jano Gibbs, ang chairman of the Blackboard. Makakasama natin linggo-linggo sa pagkwenta sa mga malalakas ang loob na contestants na susubuking tapatan ng talino ng ating classmates. Kaya humanda na at kumasa sa Kakasa Ka Ba sa Grade 5 ngayong October 27 na.
Bigating drama at pagmamahalang hahamakin ang lahat. Kung mahawi man ang ulap, kasama ang Tustaran.
I deal with dandruff like a man.
I keep it a secret, as any woman should.
But either way, we know the answer is clear.
I use Clear.
Clear meant for me.
It has zinc Vitanol, clinically proven effective to remove dandruff and prevent it from coming back.
It's all settled then.
For us, there's only one choice.
New Clear. No dandruff.
The tension heats up in Kung Mahawi Man ang Ulap in partnership with Clear Anti-Dandruff Shampoo. Laso din ang sweetness. Happy childhood memories. Creamy tapos rich. Pero ang light lang ng sweetness. Sa Nestle ice cream feeling ko, bata ako ulit.
With moisturizers and cooling beads that help massage and shower your mouth with freshness. New Close-Up Spa Moisture. Rejuvenate your mouth with freshness. 10 pesos only for 25 ml tube.
Thought I was not going to have a child anymore, but then she came. Martina, she's very precious to me. She drinks Nito. I believe in giving her the right food and milk. Good diet, good nutrition. One day she said, Mommy, I'm taller. I'm healthier. I sleep well. She's my checklist. I'm happy that Nido is taking care of my precious one.
Hey, you!